Hello, I'm Charles Payne, CISO of CISOevents. We're thrilled to invite you to our monthly cybersecurity events, where industry leaders, experts, and enthusiasts come together to discuss the latest trends, challenges, and innovations in cybersecurity.
Hello, I'm Dr. Jose Bolaños, MD, CEO of Nimbus-T Global. As the creators of the patented Nimbus KID system, we're dedicated to providing advanced security solutions that keep your digital world safe. Our monthly events, in partnership with CISOevents, offer unparalleled opportunities to learn and grow in the field of cybersecurity.
These events are more than just conferences. They're opportunities to connect, learn, and implement the latest strategies in cybersecurity. We're proud to partner with Nimbus-T Global to bring you the most advanced information and opportunities.
Our combined expertise ensures that you'll receive valuable insights and actionable strategies to enhance your organization's cybersecurity measures. Don't miss out on these crucial learning and networking opportunities.
Whether you're a professional CIO, CTO, CISO, or even CEO, our events are tailored to provide the knowledge you need. Join us and be part of a community dedicated to making cybersecurity stronger.
Stay informed with CISOevents and with our cybersecurity blog. Get regular updates, expert opinions, and the latest news in the world of cybersecurity.
Register now and subscribe to our events and participate as a sponsor. Be part of a revolution in cybersecurity.
We thank you very much for your participation.